Is it for me? Because I'm gonna. Because
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, north central Harris County in southeastern Texas until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe
dude, I don't even
was
think we're gonna
located
risk.
over Jersey Village, moving north at 15 miles per hour.
Okay, I'm not in this.
Hazard, 60
From what I know.
miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tomball, Jersey Village, Spring Branch North, Spring, Northeastern Addicts Park 10, Spring Branch West, Hooks Airport, West Branch, Willowbrook, Fairbanks, or Northwest Crossing, Cypress, Carverdale, Greater Inwood, and Spring Branch Central. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Southwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas.